Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers.
Aston Aughton Cemetery, Swallownest. (13793) Private Joseph BELK, Northern Derby Regiment, 20th of September 1920, aged 25. AC WALLIS, volunteer, 62nd West Riding, Home Guard, 18th of March 1941, aged 35. LWAS, signaller, HMS Attentive, died 16th of December 1918, aged 23. (4619076) Corporal Frederick James Rose, Royal Army Ordnance Corps, died 1st of August 1942, aged 25. (938,783) Sergeant Irving Jeffrey Johnson, RAF, son of the above, who was killed in action December 23rd, 1940, aged 20 years.
23rd of December, 1940, the Armstrong Whitworth AW-38, Whitley, of the 58 Squadron, departed RAF Linton on House at 5:25 p.m. on an operation to Boulogne, France. 1 hour into the flight, the crew encountered technical problems with some instruments and decided to return to base. After touchdown, the aircraft went out of control, veered off runway, and collided with a parked Westland Lysander. An explosion occurred and both aircraft were destroyed. 4 crewmen were injured, but sadly the rear gunner, Sergeant Irwin Jeffrey Johnson, died in the crash.
7615856, Sapper Douglas Osborne, Royal Engineers, 29th of September 1940, aged 21. (52020) Private C. BRiGGS, East Yorkshire Regiment, 11th of December 1918, aged 22.
(160801) Corporal F.A. Skidmore, Royal Engineers, died the 2nd of January 1917, aged 26.
W/152132, Private Jean Copley, Territorial Service, died the 11th of May 1943, aged 21.
Jean Copley was the first child of Alban Ernest and Kitty, born in Rotherham in late 1921. She was educated at Aston Council, later going to work for a milk roundsman. She joined the Auxiliary Territorial Service in 1942. In 1943 she was in Great Yarmouth when it was subject to an air raid. It was a daylight low-level attack by 18 Focke-Wulf 190s of 2 SKG-10 at 8:45 a.m. on the 11th of May, 1943. The raiders crossing the coast just north of Britannia Pier and attacking the northern part of the town and exiting over the Winterton area. The raid was only detected about 1 minute before the attack. 14 500 kilograms high explosive bombs fell in various scattered residential areas in the north of the town. A squad of girls had been exercising that morning and had just marched back to their billet at Whitfield House, a large hostel at number 8, North Drive, when it received a direct hit from a He bomb. Private Jean Copley was just 21 when she and 25 other servicewomen were tragically killed. It still remains the biggest loss of female army life in British history today.
Private Horace Loy, 38713, son of the above, who died from wounds received in France on October 29, 1918, aged 19 years. Eric Hardy, 475560, Staff Sergeant, Glider Pilot Regiment, killed in flying accident May 31st, 1945, aged 32. William Linton, 948615, leading aircraftman. Also Mary Clinton, killed while serving with the RAF, June 16, 1941, aged 29. Also found was Thomas Edwin, the beloved son of the above, who died of wounds in France, April 12, 1918, aged 19.
you.